This is a Just That Simple production. Join me as I dive into the world of AI and challenge myself to see if it can really revolutionize my sales team in just 1 week. The world of sales is changing fast, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial for any business looking to thrive. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this change, promising to transform how sales teams operate. From automating routine tasks to providing deep insights into customer behavior, AI is set to revolutionize sales. In this video, we'll explore why AI is becoming essential for modern sales teams and what you can expect to learn about harnessing its power. Sales teams face a multitude of challenges on a daily basis. One of the most significant hurdles is inefficiency. Sales reps often find themselves bogged down by administrative tasks, taking time away from what matters most: selling. One of the most significant hurdles is inefficiency. Sales reps often find themselves bogged down by administrative tasks, taking time away from what matters most: selling. This inefficiency can lead to missed opportunities and a decrease in overall performance. Another challenge is the lack of actionable insights. Without the right data, sales teams struggle to understand their customers' needs and preferences. This can result in pitches that miss the mark, leading to lost sales and a weaker pipeline. The struggle to keep up with customer expectations is also a significant challenge. Today's customers are more informed than ever, with a wealth of information at their fingertips. They expect personalized experiences, quick responses, and knowledgeable sales reps. Meeting these expectations can be tough, especially for teams without the right tools. Furthermore, sales teams often rely on intuition rather than data-driven strategies. This can lead to hit-or-miss results, where some sales reps perform well while others struggle. Consistency is key in sales, and without the right approach, achieving it can be difficult. The good news is that there are many AI tools and technologies designed to aid sales teams. Automation software, for instance, can take over routine tasks such as data entry, email follow-ups, and lead qualification. This not only increases efficiency, but also allows sales reps to focus on high-value activities. Data analysis is another area where AI shines. By analyzing vast amounts of customer data, AI can uncover patterns and insights that might be invisible to the human eye. This can help sales teams tailor their pitches, anticipate customer needs, and close deals more effectively. Customer relationship management systems powered by AI can also revolutionize how sales teams interact with customers. These systems can predict customer behavior, suggest the best times to make contact, and even automate personalized communication. Moreover, AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for handling initial customer inquiries. They can provide instant responses to common questions, freeing up human reps to tackle more complex issues. One company that saw significant improvements through AI integration was a mid-sized software firm. They were struggling with lead conversion rates and customer engagement. By implementing an AI-driven CRM system and automating their email marketing campaigns, they were able to personalize their approach to each lead. They were struggling with lead conversion rates and customer engagement. By implementing an AI-driven CRM system and automating their email marketing campaigns, they were able to personalize their approach to each lead. The results were staggering. They saw a 50% increase in lead conversions and a 30% improvement in customer engagement. The AI system helped them identify high-value leads and tailor their pitches accordingly. The transformation didn't happen overnight, but with a strategic approach and the right technology, they were able to revolutionize their sales process. This case study is a testament to the power of AI in sales. The story of this company is not unique. Many businesses are experiencing similar transformations thanks to AI. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. AI is not just a nice to have, but a must-have for sales teams looking to stay competitive. Many businesses are experiencing similar transformations thanks to AI. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. AI is not just a nice to have, but a must-have for sales teams looking to stay competitive. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with AI in sales. Have you seen similar improvements? Share your stories in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about how technology can enhance your sales strategies, be sure to check out our other videos.